So you have your Google Classroom created, and now you want your students to join. So right underneath your Google Classroom, you will see a class code. This is automatically generated. This code is automatically generated when you create your classroom. And so when you want your students to join, you'll click here and you can display this to have your students join your Google Classroom. Now, if this is a pretty long code, and if you want this to be displayed a little larger, you can click right here and you'll see that you have the option for a full screen. I click here, and as you can see, it is displayed larger. So there is no difficulties in seeing the letters and the numbers in order to join your classroom. To exit out of here, you just go here to the right-hand side and it says exit full screen. Click there and you're taken back to this option where you can click out once everyone has joined your Google Classroom. I want to call your attention to the settings wheel. Click on here and you're going to notice that you have some more options for your Google Classroom. I want to, since we are talking about classroom codes, if you notice under general, you have some options here. So as you can see, my class code is here, the one that was automatically generated. I can click on this little shark tooth or the drop down arrow, and you're going to see that I have the option to display the code again. I can copy this code to paste it in an email, in a letter, wherever you may need to copy it, and you have that option. I can also reset it. So when I click on it, as you can see, it generated another classroom code for me. And if you notice here that if I do not no longer want to have students join my classroom, I can actually disable anybody from coming in and joining the classroom. So just in case that classroom code gets out to people that you don't want to joining your class, you can disable it so that there is no longer that option for people to join the class.